If you can score at least 35 out of 40 on this general knowledge quiz, your trivia skills are seriously impressive. You have just 10 seconds to lock in your answer for each round. Hit that subscribe button right now to lock in your lock. And let's begin.
Question 1. Which fruit is the only one to wear its seeds on the outside? Raspberry, strawberry, blackberry, or kiwi? The correct answer is option B, strawberry. Question 2. What is the national animal of Scotland? Loch Ness Monster, red deer, golden eagle, or unicorn? The correct answer is option D, unicorn. Question 3. What is the colored part of the human eye called? Pupil, cornea, iris, or retina? The correct answer is option C, iris. Question 4. What is the deepest oceanic trench on Earth? Tonga Trench, Mariana Trench, Puerto Rico Trench, or Kurill Trench? The correct answer is option B, Mariana Trench. Question 5. Which part of the cell is known as its powerhouse? Nucleus, ribosome, mitochondria, or cytoplasm? The correct answer is option C, mitochondria. Question 6. What is the fastest flying bird in the world? Peregrine falcon, golden eagle, albatross, or hummingbird? The correct answer is option A, peregrine falcon. Question 7. Which continent is the smallest by landmass? Europe, Antarctica, South America, or Australia? The correct answer is option D, Australia. Question 8. What is the medical term for the fear of enclosed spaces? Agoraphobia, arachnophobia, claustrophobia, or acrophobia? The correct answer is option C, claustrophobia. Question 9. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 24, 25, 26, or 27? The correct answer is option C, 26. Question 10. Which of these nuts is actually classified as a legume? Walnut, almond, cashew, or peanut? The correct answer is option D, peanut. Question 11. Who was the first female pilot to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Bessie Coleman, Amelia Earhart, Harriet Quimby, or Jacqueline Cochran? The correct answer is option B, Amelia Earhart. Question 12. Which surrealist artist painted the famous melting clocks? Pablo Picasso, Claude Monet, Salvador Dali, or Frida Kahlo? The correct answer is option C, Salvador Dali. Question 13. What is the only marsupial native to North America? Kangaroo, koala, opossum, or wombat? The correct answer is option C, opossum. Question 14. Which famous river flows directly through London? River Seine, River Thames, River Rhine, or River Danube? The correct answer is option B, River Thames. Question 15. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? PO, P, PT, or K? The correct answer is option D, K. Question 16. What is the highest possible hand in a standard game of poker? Four of a kind, straight flush, royal flush, or full house? The correct answer is option C, royal flush. Question 17. In Greek mythology, who is the goddess of wisdom and warfare? Aphrodite, Hera, Artemis, or Athena? The correct answer is option D, Athena. Question 18. How many holes are played in a standard round of golf? 9, 12, 18, or 21? The correct answer is option C, 18. Question 19. In which fictional universe would you find a Jedi? Star Trek, Star Wars, Doctor Who, or Dune? The correct answer is option B, Star Wars. Question 20. What is the medical term for the human voice box? Pharynx, trachea, larynx, or esophagus? The correct answer is option C, larynx.
Question 21. What do you call a baby kangaroo? Calf, cub, joey, or foal? The correct answer is option C, joey. Question 22. The ancient ruins of Machu Picchu are located in which country? Mexico, Peru, Chile, or Brazil? The correct answer is option B, Peru. Question 23. What type of electromagnetic radiation causes sunburns? Infrared, microwaves, X-rays, or ultraviolet? The correct answer is option D, ultraviolet. Question 24. In which city was the famous RMS Titanic built? Liverpool, Southampton, Belfast, or London? The correct answer is option C, Belfast. Question 25. Which flower produces the world's most expensive spice, saffron? Rose, orchid, crocus, or tulip? The correct answer is option C, crocus. Question 26. Who is the author of the classic novel The Great Gatsby? Ernest Hemingway, F. Scott Fitzgerald, Mark Twain, or John Steinbeck? The correct answer is option B, F. Scott Fitzgerald. Question 27. What is the main structural component of an eggshell? Calcium carbonate, keratin, calcium phosphate, or keton? The correct answer is option A, calcium carbonate. Question 28. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Andromeda, Whirlpool, Sombrero, or Milky Way? The correct answer is option D, Milky Way.
Question 29. What is the boiling point of water on the Fahrenheit scale? 100, 180, 212, or 250? The correct answer is option C, 212.
Question 30. What type of pasta has a name that translates to little worms? Spaghetti, vermicelli, linguine, or macaroni? The correct answer is option B, vermicelli.
Question 31. How many players are on the ice for one team during a hockey game? 5, 6, 7, or 8? The correct answer is option B, 6. Question 32. Which chess piece moves in an L shape? Bishop, rook, knight, or queen? The correct answer is option C, knight. Question 33. What is the most widely spoken language in South America? Portuguese, English, French, or Spanish? The correct answer is option D, Spanish. Question 34. What is the extreme or irrational fear of clowns called? Coulrophobia, kynophobia, trypophobia, or nyctophobia? The correct answer is option A, coulrophobia. Question 35. Which metal is the absolute best conductor of electricity? Copper, gold, silver, or aluminum? The correct answer is option C, silver. Question 36. What was the very first toy to be advertised on television? Barbie, Slinky, Mr. Potato Head, or Lego? The correct answer is option C, Mr. Potato Head. Question 37. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Liver, kidneys, pancreas, or gallbladder? The correct answer is option C, pancreas. Question 38. What is a large group of flamingos called? A flock, a flamboyance, a stand, or a parade? The correct answer is option B, a flamboyance. Question 39. Which classic board game challenges players to solve a murder mystery? Monopoly, Scrabble, Clue, or Risk? The correct answer is option C, Clue. Question 40. Which Disney princess was the first to have a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame? Cinderella, Snow White, Ariel, or Belle? The correct answer is option B, Snow White.
And that's a wrap. Out of 40 general knowledge questions, how many did you get right? Be honest and share your score in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a new quiz challenge. Thank you for playing.